Hey guys, welcome back to Nick's Tips and Tricks, and today we're going to be talking about the double pump. What is a double pump? It's a push-pull stroke that helps initiate a flatwater cartwheel or gets you vertical for a bow stall on the flatwater. How to double pump? What you're going to do is you're going to want to start by getting on edge, pulling your bow up. This helps gain momentum for your push stroke. You're going to want to get your paddle as far back as possible. Push as hard as you can while you crunch your knees to your chest, pulling the boat vertical. Some common mistakes are either that you're not edging far enough over as you're doing your push stroke, that you're not getting your paddle far enough back. The farther back the paddle is, the more leverage you're going to have to push off of. Or another common mistake would be that you're standing up as you're pulling the boat vertical. By standing up, you're actually going to be pulling the balance point over and you're going to land onto your head. So to prevent that, you want to be crunching forward, pulling your knees to your chest, staying balanced and keeping the boat vertical. The double pump is a super fun trick. It's great for helping you learn to bow stall. It's also the start to learning your flatwater cartwheel. So next time you're in a pool or in the flatwater in between rapids, go ahead and give the double pump a try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please feel free to share, comment below the next trick you want, and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys, have a great day, and I'll see you on the water.